In this video, you're going to learn how to play the C major scale 2 octaves hand separately in the simplest way possible, step by step. And rather than needing to memorize all these tricky fingerings, I'm going to give you one trick that's going to simplify the entire thing. So let's get started with the right hand. What we're going to do is think of the fingerings in terms of finger groupings rather than every individual finger. By finger groupings, I mean the number of fingers that you play before a thumb goes under or a finger goes over. So for the right hand, our finger groupings will go group of 3. That means I'll play 1, 2, 3, thumb goes under. Group of 4, so that means I'll play 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb goes under for another group of 3. 1, 2, 3, thumb goes under for another group of, or this time a group of 5. So those finger groupings go 3, 4, 3, 5. And then we follow those finger groupings backwards. So group of 5, coming back. Group of 3, that means I need to cross third finger over. Group of 4, that means I cross fourth finger over. And then third finger crosses for that last group of 3. So doing that a little faster, that's a group of 3, group of 4, group of 3, group of 5, following it back, group of 5, group of 3, group of 4, group of 3. One way you can practice this is by clustering the finger groups. So we have group of 3, play those all at the same time, group of 4, group of 3, group of 5, and then we follow those back, 3, 4, 3. And so if you use these finger groupings, you'll learn this scale way faster than if you tried to memorize 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before we get to the left hand, if you're enjoying this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Here at the South Shore Piano School YouTube channel, we're committed to providing practical tutorials like this to simplify your piano journey. Now the left hand will use the same concept, but those finger groupings will be flipped. So we'll start this time with a group of 5. That means all 5 fingers. Third finger will cross over for a group of 3. Fourth finger crosses for a group of 4, third finger crosses for a group of 3. So those finger groupings will go 5, 3, 4, 3. And then we just follow those finger groups backwards. A group of 3, group of 4, group of 3, group of 5. And once again, you can cluster this to practice those groupings. Group of 5, 3, 4, 3, follow it backwards, 4, 3, 5. And then just to do that a little faster, that's group of 5, group of 3, group of 4, group of 3, following it backwards, group of 3, group of 4, group of 3, group of 5. Once you have C major down, you'll definitely want to check out its relative minor, A minor, starting with the A natural minor scale in this video right here. I'll see you there.